a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hello and welcome to Capro Outdoors. We have some merchandise. Got camouflage fishing shirts, purple fishing shirts,
Like a bird on a tree.
hot pink fishing
I'm
shirts,
just sitting here.
pink fishing
I got
shirts,
time. It's clear
blue
to
fishing
see.
shirts. We can get these in ladies, men's, boys, girls
The
sizes.
world seems small. We can sit.
We got cups, coffee cups,
together. It's so beautiful.
blue and purple.
You and me.
They're good for holding hot or cold stuff.
We meant to be
They'll be posted in a black
great
box like this.
outdoors, forever free.
This is the purple one. They look the same colour. They look the same colour, but one's blue and one's purple.
Take a step back to see the truth.
I have stickers for those of you that like stickers.
From a distance you can tell.
Have an LED torch that has a bottle opener on it.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors,
And a pile of pens.
forever free.
If you look down in the description, there should be a Capro store link. Just go into that and you'll go straight to the store.
In the great outdoors,
If you enjoy this episode, give us a like, subscribe, share it with your mates. Thank you.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.